What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home video. In this video, I want to cover a company that is currently hiring and you can actually get a job here even if you're not inside the US. So this is a really great opportunity for people in different countries. If you're looking to get a work from home remote job and you haven't been able to find anything outside of the US, then this is a company that you can definitely get a job at. And they also have jobs if you're inside the US and Canada, but also if you're outside. So if you're in the Philippines or India or any other country, then you can get a job here. Now, before I talk about the actual company, just something that I want to mention: for most remote work from home jobs that are outside of the US, they're going to pay significantly less than what you would earn if you were working for a remote job in the US. So for example, if you are hired for a position inside the US and you're making, $30 per hour, outside the US, the job may only pay, or that very same job may only be paying, $10 or $15 per hour, because the cost of living outside the US is much lower. So this job is gonna pay less than what you're used to seeing, but this is mainly for people outside of the US. Now, also, just before we get into that, just a quick reminder, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money. I talk about jobs, just everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos, you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post similar videos. And if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one about this company or just about anything else relating to making money online, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. With that said, let's dive right into this video. So the company that I want to talk about today is Community Phone. Now, as the name suggests, this is a phone service. So they provide landline service and they also provide cell service. So this is the business of this company. Now, if we go over to careers, or the careers page, and I'll leave the links down below to everything so you guys can find this easily, you can find out a little bit more about this company. So here, basically what they're saying is they are better than other phone service providers because they don't sell user data, they don't leak numbers to spam bots, and they don't nickel and dime you with hidden fees and a bunch of confusing contracts, right? So that's what they're giving. Now, they have a couple open positions here, and you can apply for anything here if you think you are qualified or you're a good fit for it. But one that caught my eye was this position, customer support, because it is remote. So if we go to this particular position, we can learn a lot about it. So it's a full-time position, it's completely remote, and you can also get this job if you are outside of the US. So it says, we're looking to expand our support team and hiring customer support representatives who love to delight our landline users. So in this job, you'll be tracking customer concerns. You'll be ensuring every customer has an extraordinary experience, as they put it here. You listen for opportunities to upsell to the customers on additional services or products that the company has. You'll also listen to the customers and find solutions to keep them satisfied. And it says you're a good fit for this job if you are able to adapt quickly to change, if you have excellent verbal and written communication skills, and if you also have experience with Zendesk, HubSpot, or similar technology. Now, compensation here, they actually listed the salary. So they're hiring globally. So again, if you're in the US, great. If you're not, you can still get a job here. And they're paying around $6 per hour as a base salary. And there's also the potential to make additional commission. So it starts at $6, that's the base salary. And then they have a commission structure here where you can earn more. Now, the shifts are based on US time zones. So they need you to be available any day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time. And also you can expect to work on weekends on a rotating basis. So keep that in mind if you are available every day, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. or within those hours. And also you'll be on a rotating weekend schedule. So this is the job. Basically, it's like a customer service job. So if you have worked customer service jobs before, this may be familiar territory, but if not, it doesn't require a whole lot. They don't require you to have a bachelor's degree or anything like that. This is basically what they need from you. And if you have these qualities, then you can get hired here. Now again, I'll leave the links down below, but to apply for this job, you can just click on this tab that says application, and here you can upload your resume, you can put the information in, and also you agree that you're fine with working for $6 an hour as a base salary. Also, this company, although it's hiring worldwide, they're not hiring in every single country. So if you scroll all the way down, these are some of the countries that they hire a lot in. So if you're in any of these countries, then I would say you're almost guaranteed a shot because they are hiring people from these countries already. But even if the country that you're in isn't listed here, you can do not listed, and you can specify what country you're in because they don't want to waste your time. So if you list a country that you're in and they know for sure that they're not hiring people, then they'll let you know. But basically it is a worldwide remote job. Also, you'll see here it mentions if you have 4 or more years of customer support experience. This isn't a deal breaker. It's just something that would give you an edge over other applicants. But if you have limited customer support experience or even none, then still apply for the job because you still may be a good fit. Now, this company is also listed on Glassdoor. So they are listed on Glassdoor here. And we have multiple salaries reported. So they are actually paying for the customer service or customer service related position. There was only one salary submitted, which the range was $30,000 to $40,000. So this is what you can expect to make. But again, they listed the salary here on the job listing, which is based off $6 per hour with additional commission potential. So I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know if you've ever worked for this particular company before. It is community phone. If you have, let me know what the experience was like. How did you enjoy working there? How was the pay? How was the culture? Let us know. And also, I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know the highest you've ever been paid working in a customer service position that was remote, because this will help me in finding higher paying jobs. Also, let me know the location, whether you were in the US, in Canada, or some other country. That way it will help me to find higher paying remote work from home jobs, and I can make videos of those jobs for you guys. So with all that said, thanks for watching. All the best in your remote work from home job search, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.